amazing to see such a vibrant new scene starting to develop. All the bartenders here from all over Russia and neighbouring countries in Europe.
Russia is one of the really exciting future markets for us, and there's no other way that we would like to come into this market other than through the Moscow Bar Show.
Только благодаря таким выставкам на самом-то деле растет барная культура, и люди, конечные потребители, имеют шанс купить то, что реально вкусно, а не то, что уже прижилось.
I can really recommend this Moscow Bar Show for everyone that wants to go to Russia with a new brand.
Last year we've been exhibiting for the first time, but this year more people visited Asahi booth and everybody enjoyed drinking Asahi. Now we've already decided to join next year, so I'm happy to be here.